there are many types of metered-dose inhalers, or MDIs for short, as well as these tubes called spacers. I'm going to use just one of each of them to show you how to use them, but most of them work the same way. You were given this medicine as a part of a way to help you breathe better and maybe not cough as much. Because you are the most important member of the team that is working together to help you breathe better, I want to show you how to get the medicine from this MDI way down into your lungs so it can help you. When you first get your MDI and it's new, please ask an adult to help you prime it, which means to get the medicine ready. After it's primed and ready to use, the first thing I want you to do is to look here to see what number it's on. If the number is 0, it's out of medicine and you need to get another MDI. If the number is bigger than 0, then you're good to start. When it's time to take your medicine, hold the MDI like this with the cap at the bottom and the metal part with the medicine in it pointing up. Open the cap wide open and look inside to make sure something didn't get in there by accident. Then you're going to take the spacer and open the cap of the spacer and also look inside to make sure there's no stuff in there that shouldn't be there. Now you're going to shake the MDI for at least 5 seconds, like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, and so on. Sit up nice and tall with your head straight. You don't want your head down while taking this medicine because the medicine can't reach deep into your lungs if your head is down. Hold the MDI up and put the open part of the MDI into the rubber end of the spacer. Hold the MDI and spacer away from your mouth. Breathe out all the way like you're blowing out a candle, but don't ever blow into the hole. After you've blown all the air out of your lungs, keep your head up, put the spacer opening in your mouth, and close your lips around like you would a straw. Push the top down on the MDI once and breathe in slowly and deeply through your mouth until you can't breathe in anymore like this. Now, if you breathe in too fast, you won't get all of the medicine into your lungs. After you breathe in slowly, take it away from your mouth, close your lips and hold your breath as long as you can while blinking up to 10 times very slowly, or counting to 10 in your head or on your fingers, but not out loud. When you can't hold your breath any longer, then breathe out. If you breathe in too fast, some, but not all of the spacers whistle and tell you that you're breathing in too fast. So slow it down so you don't hear the whistle like this. So that whistle means you're breathing in too fast, so slow it down. After you finish, take the MDI away from the spacer, close the covers, and make sure that you hear it click like this so you know it's closed. If your instructions say to take another puff, then wait about a minute. Then open the caps and do everything like you did before, starting with shaking. Your doctor, nurse, or pharmacist will tell you if you need to rinse out your mouth after using your MDI. If you forget, ask an adult. If they say yes, you need to rinse out your mouth, then swish water around in your mouth and then spit the water in the sink. Don't swallow it. This will help you keep from getting white stuff in your mouth, which is a fungus called thrush. We don't want fungus among us. Finally, it's important to keep the MDI dry and don't ever put it in water.